Hi, hello, I am Amata from 6th grade, studying St. Anthony English Medium High School. My school is very near to my home. We have huge playground, big building, 20 blocks for the children. From nursery to 10th grade. Here we have 20 teachers. Our teachers are good, loving and caring. I am very proud to go to my school every day. We celebrate different cultures, fun events and celebrate according to the government schedule. I have many friends, classmates, singers, seniors and juniors, brothers and sisters at my school. My school is like my second home and I am grateful for all the amazing